Take a few slow, cleansing breaths. Scan your body for any tension. Wherever you find it, release it. Let it drain down through your feet. Now gather the scattered energies of the mind and bring them into your body. Anything that's outside the body, let it go. Simply focus on the sensation inside the body. We're filling the body with awareness, the awareness of the mind. Now gather the awareness in your chest, in your heart region. Imagine it like a warm, glowing light. It illuminates the body from within. We're going to move that light, that energy up to the head and direct it frontward towards a point right between your eyebrows and about an inch up. This is the intellect. Some people call it the third eye. It is that clarity of vision, the ability to see the mind's eye. Hold the concentration in this point. You might feel a tingling. Imagine like a flame dancing. A light shining from within. The mind wanders, simply gently bring it back. This is concentration, bringing the mind to a point. The mind becomes like an arrow, sharp, pointed. We can direct it at whatever we choose. You will practice this on a regular basis. The more you practice, the better you will become at directing the mind, making it one-pointed. And take a deep breath and relax your concentration.